1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
The rules of punctuation. The full stop period. 1. Most commonly it divides sentence from sentence.
Put a full stop period at the end of a sentence. For example, I am going to cinema tonight. The movie begins at 9. Would you like to come with me? Note that the full stop is replaced by a question mark at the end of a question. Similarly, an exclamation mark ends an exclamation. 2. Put a full stop after most abbreviations. Mr. Wood, Mrs. Moore, November 12, AM on, FRCS, etc. But do not put period after some abbreviations, FBI, NBC, JFK, MIN, NFL, UMW, POW. 3. Put a period inside quotation marks. He said, do not smoke here.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.